Hi folks, I'm Cherry and I'm the founder at Clarybase. I've been an Airtable developer for about 5 years and we've been Airtable Gold Partner for quite some time. So today I'm actually going to be showing you a grant management database. This is specifically for a medical faculty but could really be used for any kind of grant management anytime any kind of monetary disbursement is given to a researcher or for any kind of funding. Okay, so I'm just going to the back end here. Inside we have a few tables. So this is the context or background is that this is a medical faculty inside of a university and there's a few different research areas that the faculty is investing in so that they can provide the profs or the primary investigators with some different types of funding. And you can have people apply for different grants with their research ideas. There are decisions made about those grants, and we also have funding disbursements that we're capturing as well. Sometimes there could be reviewers who might be assigned to review specific grants. So now I'm going to go inside of the interface layer. Oh, actually before that, I can show you a form. And this is a form that the researchers need to fill out, and what they have to do is put in this form. It's really streamlined because once they fill out the form, it actually goes back into the backend data inside of Airtable. And then I'm going to come towards this interface section where you can see all of the different applications that have been received. So there's just one new application that we haven't reviewed. If there is something that's under review, you can mark it as approved, or if you don't want to mark it as approved, you can mark it as rejected. It's really easy to use. And then in the disbursements, this is really neat because you can go into a specific grant and see how much grant funding they've been awarded and how many disbursements have actually gone through. And this is just really useful because you can see all of the different transactions that have taken as part of that grant. Lastly, you can also look at the different portfolios from an overview, so you can see how much funding each portfolio had, how much of that money has been committed, and then how much of that money is remaining. So when you're going through more applications, you can know where to allocate the dollars and if you need to reshift anything. So for example, holistic healing hasn't gotten any applications, so that might be an indicator that you may want to spread the word a little bit more if that is an area that we want to engage in more research. For this reporting dashboard, this is also really useful because you can see how much, again, just visually, how much funding was available, how much has been committed, how much has been dispersed. And then you can also make these really interactive as well. So if there is a particular area that I'm interested for holistic healing, or maybe for neonatal nutrition, for example, you can look at the different types of applications. Some are approved, some are under review, and how many devices in particular are used across these applications. So it makes the reporting really, really intuitive, but also you can drill down a little bit deeper, which is cool.